Hey everyone, welcome to SAS Academy. In this video, we're gonna see the else statement. So, when we can use this else statement, if first statement and second statement isn't true, then we're gonna enter inside of this else statement. So let's try to see this. For example, let's change our numbers here. I will write if number equal 10, for example. Let's write here your number is, let's write equal to 10. Okay, this is just the basic thing. If you want to you can not change this, but I prefer to change this. Okay, and let's write here else if number less than 10. Let's write here else if number equal to, for example, 100. Okay, and let's write here else, but this time I will not create the parentheses here. I will just create curly brackets because else statement has no condition. That is the difference between else if or if and else, because you can enter this else if only your previous statements isn't true. And that is why we don't need to write any condition for our else statement. I will write here SOUT, and I can write here your number neither 10 or 100. Okay, let's run this code. Let's try to see. Okay, enter your number. If I enter here 100, I will say your number is less than 10. Oh, I made a mistake here. Yes, I should change this. I will say your number is 100. Sorry guys, let's run this again. Run this code again. I will write the 100 here and I will say your number is 100. If I enter here 10, I will say your number is equal to 10. But if I enter here, for example, 50, I will say your number neither 10 or 100. It's because when you enter 50, your condition isn't true for first if statement, because in first if statement condition is if number equal to 10, but my number isn't equal to 10, it is 50. And in the second statement, the condition is number equal to 100, but my number is 50, it's not equal to 100. That is why I said if previous statements isn't true, then we're gonna enter inside of this else statement, and that will be your number neither 10 or 100. Okay, I think when this if and else if statements isn't true, this else statement will come in handy. Okay, by the way, you can have here more else statements. For example, you can write here else if, and I will write here else if number equal, for example, let's write here 50. Okay, and I will write here SOUT. Let's write here your number is 50. Okay, and let's write here this time your number neither 10 or 100 or 50. Okay, you can add here whatever you want. For example, you can add here one more else if, two more else ifs, or etc, etc. Okay, let's run this code again. I will say run. If I enter here 50, I will say your number is 50. But if I enter here, for example, 2000, I will say your number neither 10 or 100 or 50. Okay guys, so you can add here how much as much as you want else if, but I want to add here one more. I don't want to make this video so long. Okay guys, hope it is clear for you. If not, let me know please. You can ask me a question and we can discuss this together. So let's finish this lesson here. In the next lecture we're gonna see our examples that concern with these statements.